That pop though.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. So work has already commenced. That's the way are these shoes now. Yeah. Oh, I think is that the right one? Hang on. Hang on. Do 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 do. There you are. How about that? There you go. Okay. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that there is the Extreme Creations clutch basket, and it obviously comes with instructions. You get your tax invoice, and I think it comes with stickers as well, and it shows you all the stuff that you need to do. So you need to grind that down there, grind down the heads of the drive pins, so you're retaining the drive off the bike, but you're getting rid of the clutch basket. Alright, so yeah, it's pretty comprehensive. There's no need for me to read all this if you're gonna buy it yourself. And it comes with all the bolts. So I just quickly open the box and just make sure that we actually do have the clutch basket, because I've not opened this, as you can probably see. Good packaging, eh? Good packaging. Extreme Creations. Alright, maybe that's a bit too much, but anyway. Jeez, guys. So that's the clutch basket. So it's gonna hold up a lot stronger than what we have on at the moment. The bolts Loctite. Alright, let's get going. And now I'll just try and remove this thing. Okay. Alright, and that there is the XSR clutch assembly. I'll just step over here so we can have a good look at that. Alright guys, so this is obviously not a how-to video, but I've got other parts here. So most of the stuff down this middle part here is from the XSR clutch, and that there's the Extreme Creations clutch basket. So there's this magnificent link that I saw online that just shows you how to do all this. It's pretty, well laid out. So I'm just going to follow that and probably put a link to that if you need to have a read and do the same sort of project. So I've got my cover off there, I've got the springs out, just about to take the friction plates and the clutch plates out of the bike there, and then hopefully get that clutch basket off, because I know it can be a pain sometimes. Alright, so I just put in the Extreme Creations clutch basket, and that seemed to be the hardest part, and now it's going to be just a matter of installing the XSR 900 slipper clutch. Okay, so I didn't really intend to make this an installation or how-to video, but just in case you're wondering, if you got the XSR 900 clutch assembly, you get 3 of these small friction plates. So one will go right into the clutch basket after you put the 2 washers that the kit will come with. And then the last two will go in right at the end. So one will go right now, like I'll put it on now. And then you have the third one that will go on this hub thing that the assembly comes with. And then this one will go on top of that, and then that will go onto the basket. As the plate goes on, it'll be offset from how the other friction plates would have gone in. So normally they're all going in through that groove there, and that's the last friction plate. It just sits there. And this little guy here can be very tricky to align when you're done with the installation. So yeah, it is a good idea to just put a dab of grease in there, just so it doesn't move about as you try to do the alignment.
Yeah, so installation is done, but I had quite a bit of a blunder. I just found out right after putting everything back on, put the clutch cover back on, and then when I was like cleaning up, I just saw this little spacer. I was like, hang on, I think that thing for sure needed to be inside there. And it went right in between the clutch basket and the clutch housing of the XSR. Yeah, so it was almost like one of those times when you've had your DIY projects, then you find, you know, you've got a bolt left, like a bolt and maybe 5 nuts, and you're like, where did this go? Because as far as I remember, when I put everything back together, all the bolts were put on. Alright, so I just got my bike on the road right after replacing the clutch basket, and of course installing an XSR 900 clutch assembly. And I must say, yeah, the XSR definitely has a better clutch than the MT. Oh, should I? Ah, bugger. Yeah, too late now. Hang on, actually, we'll just... So yeah, it just feels a lot smoother there, better response, and even when I adjust it, like, it's not slipping or anything. What's good, my guy? Just enjoying life on his moped, doing 25 per hour on a 70 kilometers road. And also just because the clutch feels a lot better, it just feels more natural to do clutch ups now. And with the replacement Extreme Creations clutch basket, I know, you know, when I do my clutch ups, I'm not going to be breaking or cracking the clutch basket. Yeah, one thing I've observed so far is just that there's a bit less engine braking with the XSR slipper clutch. So obviously when I do my clutch ups, I need to really focus on my rear brake, because that's one of my weaknesses there. And I can't really fully test this XSR clutch right now, because I'm sure I'll have to go up the hills and, you know, do a few runs up there, because in a straight line it's just going to feel like the stock clutch. Let's try and bang down the gears to second. Anyway, at least I know now that this one's not slipping like my previous clutch. Just a little bit too late there, Mike. I'll put it in B mode. coming up in third now. So yeah, fun times. Anyway guys, thanks for tuning in, and once again, peace.